Hey guys, MoneyMarrowTech, back in our tech review. Today we're going to start the series off with the Soundcore P20i. Price on these right here start off for 20 bucks on Amazon. Everything you see here will be listed down below. You got 5 different colors. You have black, white, pink, light blue, and dark blue. Featuring up to 10 mils drivers per earbud. You have a 10-hour playtime, 30 additional hours with the case. For a quick fast charge of 10 minutes will give you 2 hours of playtime and 2 built-in mics for enhanced calling. So for all that, we'll go ahead and start the review and unboxing. Alright, so start the unboxing. Boom, boom. So it comes in the case. You have your manual, the headphone itself. You have type A to type C charging cord, and then the little package right here, you have your ear tips. So here it is, guys, the Soundcore P20i. Got this one in the dark blue, like navy blue to me. Like I said, they got 5 different colors: black, blue, light blue, pink, and white. This is the I call it the navy blue, dark blue, whatever you want to call it. So in the back here, you got the Type C charger. You got a lanyard built into it. Right here is your case, and here are the earbuds. All right. So before we continue on, let's real quick test how the quality of the case and magnets in here. So real quick, we're gonna take it out of the case and see how strong it is. All right, as you see, pretty strong. How floppy is the case? So the door opening up is pretty sturdy, pretty firm. You hear that feedback going back. And then real quick, while we're here, we're gonna take my hands, we're gonna test out and see how, obviously whatever, hold it like this and knock them out, but we wanna see how good the magnets are holding the headphones in place so they don't fall out. So this is the first scenario. If you drop the case, will this open up and will he fall out freely? So real quick, here we go. We're gonna do a little bit of shake. Nothing right there. Do it again. Still good. And then we're gonna do a hard shake. So pretty good. It's still in there. All right, so not going anywhere. Let's go ahead and look at the design of the earbud. So here it is, up close. Got your logo on top, microphone on the bottom. Here's your ear tips, the coils for we get the charge. And overall, not bad. It's a nice little earbud, small stem, so not bad. So now what we're gonna do, I'm gonna download the application. You don't have to download the application, but I want to download applications to try out the EQ settings. So we're going to see how long that takes to do it, and we're going to see how we can get these to sound the best quality they are for $20. All right, guys. So here's the application right here. Like I say, you can add this by using your regular Bluetooth settings, but we're going to use the application so we can walk through the EQ settings. So go to the very bottom, push Add Device. Just go and search, just like you do Bluetooth. Soundcore P20i. Pair, and we're all set. So now you see that we're all here in the settings. You got the P20i, battery life you're showing the battery life for both earbuds. So we're now 100% charge. And then here's all your settings. So right here you have your EQ settings. It says over 22 settings you have here. We can change through. So you want to do, boost up, you want to do classic, you want to do dance, you want to do deep, flat. You can change it here. Go back. If you want to do the controls, you can set it up how you want to do your controls. So for instance, if you want to do a single tap for next, you can do a single tap for next. If you want to change it up and do pause, do that, click it, select it and pause. And then if you want to do double tap, you can do next. I did that one, so next. And then tap to hold, you can do a voice assistance, or you can turn, the volume up or down. And then you can do the same thing with the other side as well. Find my device. You can go in here, push play. It'll let you know, make sure you don't do this while it's in your ear. and then it'll start beeping like so. You can hear it or not, but it's very low beeping sound. I mean, for $20, it's not bad and stuff. If you listen if you got really good hearing, you should be able to hear it. If not, you're gonna have a hard time. And then game mode, pretty much enhance, you know, your gaming experience. You know, you give it that, you know, the walking steps. Be like, for instance, Call of Duty. Someone walking next to you, you probably hear it in the left earbud, or vice versa, the right earbud and stuff. So you know what's happening. Earbuds in my hands. I'm gonna plug it in my ears, and we're gonna do a music test. I'll be back with you guys in a minute. All right, so let's talk about some negative drawbacks, okay? So not really a lot I'm going to complain about, because it's $20. So they're not on here, but I'm going to include it anyways. So one of them is being wireless charging for $20. I didn't expect that to have it, which is cool, but for fast charging, 10 minutes to give 2 hours, that's still good for me. Then noise cancellation, once again, was expecting that, but it's still good. Still have good audio and stuff. And ear fatigue is real, so definitely want to play with your ear tips and try them out. And then you're definitely going to have experience with some bad call quality. When I call somebody with these a couple times, different people, they all said, and I quote, you hear the background and it sounds very loud and distorted. Things are so that in mind. Even though for $20 you get 10 mil drivers, you have some really good deep bass and some very clear mids. The battery life on here is amazing, 30 hours, which is really good. I like the presets of 22 settings you can change with EQs. So you have different 22 settings you can change around with, play with to your likings. Offer Bluetooth 5.3, so good stabilization right there. Offer water resistance of IPX5. So if you want to go out for a jog or run and stuff, you have a problem there. And then light and you know, comfortable to carry around. And another thing that I like about this, and it might not be a deal breaker for you, or don't like it or don't really care about it, but I like the fact that these do not fall out at all. And these are very nice, strong magnets inside as well to keep it from falling out. So what a great start to our series. $20, P20i. You can't beat it. Good price, good sound audio, good magnets in the case. Not bad at all. If it's your first time to my channel, guys, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe. We're going to keep doing this series until we're all done with the SoundCore earbuds. And then comment down below if you want me to do the reviews of the over-ear headphones as well. But I will see you guys in the next episode for our series. Peace.